Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a relatively unknown small cap chemicals company where the promoter Akshay Dujodwala has bought shares from March 26 to 28. Now this is a relatively unknown company, the products of which we use in our daily lives. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is Mangalam Organics Limited, which is available at Rs 549.80 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is MANORG. Now Mangalam Organics Limited is an India-based chemical manufacturing company engaged in the manufacturing and selling activities of camphor, sodium acetate and byproducts. It is also involved with terpene chemicals, synthetic resins and phenol formaldehyde resins. The company also offers camphor tablets under the brand name Mangalam. The company exports its products to Europe, United States, Africa and the Middle East. Now, as is evident from the one-year chart, post a period of consolidation towards the start of the year, this company had a huge spike and has sustained the price movement irrespective of the market collapsing around it. The company has a market capitalization of 470.87 crores, which means that the company is a small cap one. The EPS of 69.9 translates into a very cheap price to earnings ratio of 7.87. The price to book ratio of 7.75, however, is a bit on the higher side. The company has a dividend yield of 0.18%, whereas the promoter holding is also average and stands at 49.58%. Also, none of the promoters' holding is pledged. Also, it's imperative to mention here that P. Subramanian, the well-known investor, also has a holding in this stock. Now friends, please don't consider these to be recommendations on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Also friends, for the channel memberships that we have started offering, if you have not yet gone ahead and joined our channel as a member, we request you to do so for exclusive member-only privileges. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.